Welcome to addition of integers lesson. Before we add integers, let us define what is an integer. An integer is any whole number. It can be positive or negative. Examples: positive 2, negative 5, 245, 0, negative 1, and positive 399. The big question is, how do we add positive and negative integers? So to add them, let us think in terms of number chips. We can think of positive 4 as 4 positive chips, just like this one. We can also think of negative 3 as 3 negative chips. And we can think of negative 8 as 8 negative chips. We can also think of positive 6 as 6 positive chips. So to add positive 4 plus positive 7, we use number chips. We think of positive 4 as 4 positive chips and positive 7 as 7 positive chips. If we count the number of positive chips, there are 11 positive chips. So positive 4 plus positive 7 is equal to positive 11. Another example, negative 2 plus positive 5. We write negative 2 as 2 negative chips and positive 5 as 5 positive chips. So one negative chip and one positive chip cancel one another. And then we count the remaining chips. There are 3 positive chips, therefore the final answer is positive 3. What about positive 3 plus negative 5? We write 3 as 3 positive chips and negative 5 as 5 negative chips. Again, we cancel chips that are different in signs and count the remaining chips. So here, our answer is negative 2. Another example, negative 8 plus positive 5. We write negative 8 as 8 negative chips and positive 5 as 5 positive chips and cancel chips with opposite signs. Count the number of the remaining chips, and that is the final answer, negative 3. Next example, negative 3 plus negative 5. We write negative 3 as 3 negative chips and negative 5 as 5 negative chips. So here, there are no chips to cancel. We count the number of remaining chips, and that is negative 8. So negative 3 plus negative 8, the answer is negative 11. Positive 4 plus negative 5, the answer is negative 1. Negative 3 plus 9, the answer is positive 6. Try the following. Add the following integers. 8 plus 13. The answer, positive 21. Number 2, negative 3 plus negative 8. The answer, negative 11. Number 3, positive 12 plus negative 13. The answer, negative 1. Number 4, negative 11 plus 11. The answer is 0. And number 5, negative 8 plus 20. The answer is positive 12. So to add integers by chip method, here are the steps. Step number 1, think of positive number as positive chip and write the number of chips. Step number 2, think of negative number as negative chip and write the number of chips. Step number 3, cancel 2 different chips. And finally, count the remaining chips.